who discovered the X-ray? Did you know that the story of X-rays started more than 100 years ago? In the middle of the 19th century, a man named Gessler discovered that when electricity was discharged under high voltage through tubes in a partial vacuum, beautiful light effects were produced. Later on, Sir William Crookes proved that luminosity was caused by electrified particles. Next, Hertz showed that these rays would pass through thin sheets of gold or platinum. His pupil, Lenard, made windows of such substances so that the rays could pass out of the tube to the outer air. Now, we come to the actual discovery of the X-ray. In 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with one of these tubes, but one without windows. He noticed that certain nearby particles were glowing brilliantly. Since he knew that the rays had been discovered before, could not pass through the glass to produce this effect, he suspected that there must be some other kind of rays present too. These invisible rays, which were so different from the other rays and from light, could not be explained, so he called them X-rays. By this, he meant rays of unknown nature. X-rays are produced in an X-ray tube. Most of the air is pumped out. There are two electrodes. The electrons travel from one, that is, the cathode, to the other, the anode. The target is made of tungsten and it stops the electrons suddenly. Most of the energy of these electrons is changed to heat. But some of it becomes X-radiation. X-rays can penetrate objects because they have a very short wavelength. The shorter the wavelength, the more penetrating the rays become.